me afterward. I love it. This is so cool. All right, video cameras if you want to get down this. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start with a reverse turn. We have slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Got that? Now I'm going to do my twinkle. Slow, quick, quick. Remember, we always want to be having our center moving in the direction that we want to go, which is there. Not back here. Over there. So now I'm going to cut her off. Slow, quick, quick. She's done 1, 2, 3. I did this. Cut her off. Left foot's free, right foot free for the gentleman. First option, underarm turn with the hand. Slow, quick, quick. And she's going to continue to move as I move forward into a twinkle and finishing with the continuity ending. All right, second option, the one that everyone loves and is the go-to. I love it. It's in my muscle memory. It gets me in trouble all the time. I always love it. This is why I picked this. So I'm starting with that reverse turn. Slow, quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick. Here I'm thinking about doing this underarm turn with the rev. Letting this hand go. Slow, quick, and quick. Moving forward. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Okay, now we're going to do the develope. Sorry. Oh, we actually do it with okay. Now, option 3. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, and quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick. Quick. Alright, option 4. Oh, I didn't show you this, but you're going to like this one. Yeah, we do today. Here we go. Same thing, except an alternate hold for the develope. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, and quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Alternate hold. Yay! All right. Thank you, Cindy.